Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we recently just purchased a load of stuff from New Jersey. And this is a new old stock KZ650 fork. Now, I don't have a picture of what this looks like new from the factory or anything like that, but this was the tag that was on the box. And we confirmed it with this, that this is what it's supposed to be. The fork tubes are just fantastic. There is a minor scratch right here, and I'm 100% sure that's from handling all the years. Keep in mind, these parts are at least 45 years old. What a total beautiful situation here. Very nice stuff. Here's the lower clamp, and of course here's the upper clamp. I mean, you know, they've been around. They're new, but they've been around. So there's some paint coming off here and there, you know, from shelf damage. This is not something someone prepared for a sale. This is all real stuff. This one has a couple scratches on it too, right there. Little 77 mark there or something like that, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is the cream of the crop. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with these exactly yet, but I just had to show them off. Look for them on our webpage or something, because I'm not a KZ650 collector, but this could be used on a big bike very easily. You get the right diameter and stuff. And I was talking to my mechanic Heel about it. He said if you ran an 18-inch wheel on a Z1 on the front, or KZ900 or something like that, this could be an ideal situation. So because I know the top clamp is different, because the KZ1000 right here is more forward, where this is the clamp goes over. See what I'm saying right here? Imagine there's a bar right here. The KZ1000 will be up more. And so this is the exact rake clamp for this bridge also. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff. And here's the box. Now you see why they're all scratched up. This box is totally gooned. I'm gonna throw it out because it's no good. But look at the webbing on the box. That's the real deal. That is the real deal. If I had more room, I'd keep the box. All right, thanks for looking at our stuff.